Have you ever yawned because you saw someone else yawn? Yawning occurs when the brain needs more oxygen or when we are tired. But interestingly, yawning can also be contagious because the part of the brain that regulates empathy is active. Did you know? Babies in the womb can be yawning since the age of 11 weeks. Ever tried to hold back a yawn, but even more so? Try commenting and follow for more interesting facts.